Good morning, all of you. My name is Ranjish Kumar Sharma, your computer teacher. So, firstly, I discuss class 9 syllabus. Your class 9 syllabus divided into two parts. Part A 10 marks and part B 40 marks. Part A employability skills and part B vocational skills. In vocational skills, these units available. First, fundamentals of computer. In fundamental of computer, basic knowledge of computer, how to work the computer, what is computer, input output devices, etc. These topics included in fundamentals of computer. And second unit, mastering typing. In mastering typing, how to type the word with the help of the keyboard and use the some special key and functions. And unit 3, word processing. Word processing means MS Word. We use the MS Word. You want to type the text, insert the pictures, graphics, etc. So we use the word processing application. Spreadsheet. You want to create the spreadsheet means MS Excel. We want to do the calculation, so we use the spreadsheet application. And digital presentation means PowerPoint. In previous class, we also used this type of the application. So in PowerPoint, we want to create the presentation, so we use the digital presentation application. And your 6th unit, email messaging. Email messaging, how to send the email, how to create the email, etc. These topics available in your email messaging. And below of the unit B, here your practical 50 marks, project work 10 marks, Viva based on project 10 marks, practical file and report file 10 marks, and lab activity 20 marks. The total marks 100 marks. Here 50 marks theory and 50 marks practical. And your book name information technology and your subject code 402. In part A employability skills, these units available. First, communication skills, self-management skills, basic ICT skills, entrepreneurial skills, and green skills. In part B, fundamentals of computer, these session available. First, introduction to computers, parts of a computer system, types of computer, computer operating system, performing basic file operations, communication technology, internet and world wide web. And session 8, digital technology and media devices, computer security and privacy. So here firstly I discuss your part B unit first, fundamental of computer. In fundamental of computer, here I discuss the first session, introduction to computer. Introduction to computer, you basically know we use the computer in all fields, railway, school, etc. So here nowadays a computer has become affordable and within the reach of the most people. It has virtually turned out to be necessity in bank, hospital, railway, shopping complex, school, colleges, home, etc. So we use the computer in these fields, okay? And you also use the, you want to watch the movie, you want to watch the video file, and if you want to listening the music, play games, etc. So we use the computer. Here the first topic, what is a computer? So you already know computer is an electronic device. So here I discuss what is a computer. The word computer is derived from compute, which means to calculate. This line is very important. The word computer is derived from compute, which means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of tasks by executing a given set of instructions. Full stop. It is versatile and can handle multiple tasks like documentation, accounting, busting, designing, entertaining, importing education, airlines, railway, and other bookings, and weather forecasting, among many other tasks. So we use the computer system in these operations. First, documentation. You want to create the document, so we use the MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. And you also use the computer system in accounting, busting, designing, etc. And the full form of computer is common oriented machine, particularly used for trade and education research. So we use the, here you see the full form of the computer: C for common, O for oriented, M for machine, P for particularly, U for used, T for trade, and E for education, and R for research. So here you see the full form of the computer: common oriented machine, particularly used for trade and education research. So here you see the definition of the computer. Basically, you know, computer is an electronic device. Okay. And second topic, characteristics of a computer. So here, a computer is capable of performing highly complex tasks which humans are not able to perform efficiently. Full stop. Let us discuss its strength and limitation. The strength of a computer, there are 6 topics available in strength of a computer. First, I discuss your first strength is speed. A computer works at an amazing speed without making any mistake. A normal person would complete a specific task in a few hours. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि उनको किसी भी वर्क को करना हो तो उसमें कोई बड़े वर्क को करना हो तो उसमें कई घंटे लग सकते हैं. बट वेयर द सेम टास्क इज फिनिश बाय अ कंप्यूटर विद इन द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकेंड. बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंप्यूटर यू सॉल्व द एनी प्रॉब्लम इन सेकेंड. ओके. Calculation can be done in microseconds, that is millionth of a second. Full stop. The speed of a computer is measured in milliseconds or nanosecond. Millisecond means 10 की power minus 30 second, 10 की power minus 3 second, or nanosecond means 10 की power minus 9 seconds. So this is the speed of a computer. And second topic, strength of a computer, accuracy. In addition to speed, a computer performs its task with great accuracy. Full stop. It hardly commits any mistake in the processing of data. Full stop. The error generally occurs when the input is inaccurate or the hardware is not functioning properly. मीन्स अगर आप कोई भी गलत कमांड कंप्यूटर को देंगे तो आपका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, गलत होगा. ओके. तो एक्यूरेसी मीन्स कंप्यूटर कभी भी मिस्टेक नहीं करता है. बट यूज़र अगर गलत कमांड कंप्यूटर देगा तो वो गलत रिजल्ट शो करेगा. दिस इज़ द एक्यूरेसी. एंड थर्ड, रिलायबिलिटी. In reliability, a computer is more reliable than a human being as it never gets tired and bored of the repeated task. जैसे कि हम किसी भी वर्क को करते हैं बार करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या होते हैं, थक जाते हैं और बोर हो जाते हैं. बट कंप्यूटर नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड एंड बोर्ड. It can operate for long hours without taking rest with its accuracy intact. So this is your reliability. These are strength of a computer or characteristic of a computer. And fourth is storage capacity. So firstly I discuss storage. So in computer we use the two types of the memory. First, primary memory, and second, secondary memory. In primary memory we use the two types of the memory, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. If you want to read the information, so we use the ROM, read only memory. In this memory not you change and modify, okay, but ram provide the high speed, and RAM stands for random access memory. If we want to edit, modify the data, so we use the random access memory. So RAM and ROM is the primary memory of the computer system. And then I discuss secondary storage device. So in secondary storage device we use the pen drive, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, SD card, okay, etc. This type of the memory is called the secondary memory. If you want to store the large amount of data, then we use the secondary storage device. The maximum storage capacity of the secondary storage device 128 GB. Okay, so this is these are computer capacity, storage capacity. So computer system use the two types of the memory. First, primary and secondary memory. Primary memory we use the RAM and ROM, and secondary memory use the pen drive, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, SD card, etc. Next, fifth heading, versatility. A computer can perform various types of job while working on any package. We can play games, do calculation, make animation, surfing the net, send email messages, etc. So with the help of the computer, we perform this type of the job. We want to listen to the music, play games, do calculation, create animation. We want to surfing the net, send email. So we use the computer system. And last, strength of a computer, reduction in manpower. Computer has helped the entrepreneurs to work more efficiently. As a result, fewer people are required to do same job. Full stop. We can also see this in banks, industries, etc. जैसा कि आज से कई वर्षों पहले किसी काम करने के लिए 10% या 20% या 100% लगते थे, बट आज नाउ डे वी यूज़ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. वी वांट टू एनी प्रॉब्लम, ओके, तो वी यूज़ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. अगर आपको 10 या 20 आज के में क्या हो गया कि जो पिछले 10 या 20 किसी वर्क को करते थे, आज कंप्यूटर वो अकेले करता. तो दिस इज़ द reduction in manpower. Okay, thank you for watching this video.